way. The Discovery Club, bounce and learn all day. The Discovery Club, adventures on the way. The Discovery Club, come join us, hooray! The Discovery Club.
What if the sun disappeared for a day? Let's find out together, right here on the Discovery Club. Hi, friends. Imagine you wake up one morning and the sun is gone. The world would suddenly turn dark. Streetlights would stay on all day, and people would wonder, what happened? Without the sun's warmth, the earth would start to cool fast. In just one day, it could feel like the coldest winter ever. Plants need sunlight to make food through photosynthesis. Without it, they would stop making oxygen, and that's a bad news for us. Animals would get really confused too. No sun means no clue when to sleep, eat, or hunt. Owls might think it's still night all day. Finally, after 24 long hours, the sun returns. The earth warms up, the plants perk up, and everyone cheers. So we need the sun more than we think. It gives us light, warmth, food, and life. Fun fact: did you know the sun is 1.3 million times bigger than Earth? Thanks for watching, friends. If you liked learning with us today, don't forget to tap that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss our next big discovery. See you next time, right here on the Discovery Club.